Hey y'all, today we are doing a second round of seedlings going into my new raised beds. A lot of these blooms that I'm going to be putting in today are new to me, so I have not grown these before, but I'm really excited to give them a try this year and see how they go. I grew all of these from seed, saved a lot of money doing so I'm super excited to be able to try some unusual variety. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up, and make sure you drop me a comment below what variety of blooms is new to you this year and you are excited about growing in your garden. Okay, so seedlings are looking really good. Today we're going to be working a lot over here, marigold starfire mix. I did finally have my Orlea just popped up, y'all. It took almost 3 weeks for my Orlea to, look at the seed. See that seed? It's like all kind of spiky looking. It took almost 3 weeks for my Orlea to do anything. So note to self, you guys, it said it would be 10 to 12 days, not so much. Okay, and I'm also going to be working on Winged Everlasting. That is new to me this year. Chrysanthemum Golden Ball. These are Clarkia Tower. Is that what those are? Yeah, Clarkia Tower in Coral, which, God, look at those. Isn't that a beautiful seedling? White Mignonette, which is new to me this year. Chrysanthemum Tong Ho Big Leaf. Those are going to be going in. I also have some apricot stock. I'm also going to be putting in clary sage over there. This is a wide variety of straw flowers that are going to be going in today, which is exciting. I do have some China Aster right there that I wanted to get in as well. And then over here, I think the last of it was, Sweet Rocket Pale Lavender. That's going to go in too. And I'll put up photos of these as I'm planting so you can see what the final bloom is going to look like. Okay, we're going to be working mainly in this middle bed right here today, and then I have a little bit of space right here that I'm going to work with too, but mainly this middle bed, and then this last bed over here is going to be all dahlias over there. Just haven't gotten around to getting those planted as of yet. I am going to charge the soil with plant tone wherever I'm planting, and I am going to be planting these very close together because this is a production garden. This is not necessarily for aesthetics. This is for high production of blooms that I can cut and bring into my home. Let's get started. Oh, wait. Y'all look. It's my blue iris. This is a Dutch iris. Just bloomed and looks like I will have several more today. That is very exciting. Sweet. I did want to also give you guys an update on these bells of Ireland that I overwintered. You can start to see the blooms on them, which is very exciting. So you can see the blooms coming up on them, and these will just get taller and taller and taller. But how exciting is that? I love them. I'm thrilled with them. Yay! Okay, so I ended up not having enough room in the other bed, so I took up half this bed right here. And then over here, we took up the entire center bed here with seedlings. I'm super excited. Definitely need to water these, check on them a couple of times today. It is hot. These chrysanthemum ones are seriously struggling. So we'll see how that does, you guys. I watered them really good, but I'll really keep an eye on them. All right. Okay, so that took about an hour to plant the seedlings. My guess is about 120 seedlings went out today, so that's very exciting. I'm really excited. I'm trying a lot of varieties this year. This is my first time on a lot of them, you guys. It's going to be a learning experience. I'll give you guys updates, show you how it's going. Planting these today was a little random, just totally a little random. I'm really just trying things out, seeing how it goes. It's going to take years of working with these to find the perfect spot for them. But I am glad to finally have them in the ground, having grown them all from seed, feeling pretty proud today. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.